Hello and welcome to our beginner's guide to budgeting and saving money. In this video, we will be covering the basics of creating a budget and saving for the future. Whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or you're looking to improve your financial situation, these tips and strategies will help you get started. Budgeting. The first step to improving your financial situation is creating a budget. A budget is simply a plan for how you will allocate your money each month. It helps you keep track of your income and expenses so you can see where your money is going and make adjustments as needed. To create a budget, start by listing all of your income sources, such as your salary, bonuses, or any other sources of income. Then, make a list of your fixed expenses, such as rent, utilities, and insurance. These are expenses that don't vary from month to month. Next, make a list of your variable expenses, such as groceries, gas, and entertainment. These are expenses that can vary from month to month. Finally, subtract your expenses from your income to see if you have any money left over. If you have a positive balance, that's great. You can use that money to save or invest for the future. If you have a negative balance, it's time to make some adjustments. Look for areas where you can cut back on expenses or increase your income to get back in the black. Saving. Once you have a budget in place, it's time to start saving. Savings are important because they give you a financial cushion in case of emergencies, and they can help you reach your long-term financial goals, such as buying a home or retiring. To start saving, try setting aside a specific amount of money each month. This could be a percentage of your income or a set dollar amount. You can also automate your savings by setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. Saving tips. Here are a few tips for saving money. Shop around for the best prices on things you need. Don't be afraid to negotiate, either. Cut out unnecessary expenses. Do you really need that expensive cable package, or can you get by with a cheaper streaming service? Use cash or debit cards instead of credit cards. Credit cards can make it easy to overspend, so try to use them sparingly. Look for ways to earn extra money. This could be a part-time job, freelance work, or even selling items you no longer need. In conclusion, budgeting and saving are crucial to improving your financial situation. By creating a budget and setting aside money each month, you can take control of your finances and work towards a secure financial future. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and strategies on personal finance.